Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Olympiad. As hopefully you are will be fine. Today we are going to solve a very interesting exponential equation which is given as 1 raised to power x plus 10 raised to power x is equal to 100 raised to power x. Here we find the value of x and x belongs to real number, that is x is a real number. So it is an exponential equation. We will solve it by converting it into a quadratic equation. That's why it is going to be very interesting. So stay with us till the end to enjoy this video. So let's start the solution. As x belongs to r, so far 1 raised to power x is equal to 1 for x belongs to R. If x belongs to R, then for all values of x, 1 is equal to 1. So we can write it as 1 plus 10 raised to power x is equal to, this 100 can be written as 10 raised to power 2 whole raised to power x. Now we will shift this power using the formula which is given as a raised to power m whole raised to power n, that is power of a power involved. Then we can interchange these two powers and we can write it as a raised to power n whole raised to power m. So using this formula we can write this term on the right hand side as 1 plus 10 raised to power x is equal to 10 raised to power x whole raised to power 2. Now it is time to put y is equal to 10 raised to power x. Let take y is equal to 10 raised to power x. This will convert this equation into a simple quadratic equation. So putting this value here in the above equation, we will get 1 plus 10 raised to power x is y is equal to y. This 10 raised to power x is y and this is the square. So this is the quadratic equation. Now we can rearrange this equation by taking these two terms on the right hand side and rotating this equation simultaneously. So y square minus y plus minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation and we will use quadratic formula here to solve this. For this purpose, the a is equal to 1, that is coefficient of y square, and b is equal to minus 1, that is coefficient of y, and c is equal to minus 1, which is the constant. So using quadratic formula which is given as y is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now putting the values of a, b and c here, we will get minus b is minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 times 1, that is a is 1, times c is minus 1 over 2 times a is 1. Now simplifying this, we will get 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is 1 plus 4 over 2, and we will get 1 plus minus square root of 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2. So this is the value of y. Now according to the given condition, from this we can write it separately as y is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or y is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Now if as square root of 5 is greater than 1, so the term 1 minus square root of 5 is less than 1, that is it is negative. And in the start we say that from this we can conclude that y is equal to 10 raised to power x, and for all real values of x, 10 raised to power real value of x, it can never be equal to negative values. From this we conclude that y is greater than 0, that is y is positive. So we can reject this solution. This is rejected as y is a positive number. So the final solution is y is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now we will convert it into the x, and as we want to find the value of x. So by back substitution, as y is equal to, in the start we say that y is equal to 10 raised to power x. So it will become 10 raised to power x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now from this, to find the value of x, we will take log on both sides. So log of 10 raised to power x is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and here we apply the two properties of logarithm, that is log of a raised to power b is equal to b times log of a, that is power will multiplied, and log of a over b, that is if two terms are dividing, then we can write these two terms with a separate log by subtracting log of a minus log of b. So using these two properties, we can write the above equation as x log of 10 is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 minus log of 2. Now from this, log of 10 is equal to 1. So this equation will become x times 1 is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 minus log of 2. Now we can write it as x is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 minus log of 2. So this is the solution of this given equation, given problem, that is the value of the x. Now if we want to calculate this value, then we will put the numerical values of these terms, and for this we can write the 1 plus square root of 5 is equal to 1 plus the value of square root of 5 is 2.2360. So it will become 3.2360, and putting this value in above equation, we will get x is equal to log of 3.2360 minus log of 2. Now log, the value of this log is equal to 0.51, that is it is equal to 0.51 minus log of 2 is equal to 0.3010. Now subtracting this term from this, we will get x is equal to 0.2089. So it is the numerical value solution of this given problem, that is the value of x is 0.2089. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and do not forget to like and share this video. And after watching this video, if you have any other easy solution of this question, please share with us in comment section. Your appreciation will be motivation for us. Thank you.